Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make the level control circuit with the help of ultrasonic sensor and Arduino board in proteus. We open the proteus software simulations. We make new project. So we click on new project, give the name to the project, level control. Click on next, next, next. Now finish. Now, here we will make the level control circuit with the help of some components. Now we added. Click on the pick devices. In keywords, we type the component that we require to make the circuits. First component we add is Arduino board. Arduino. Second device is LCD display. We choose LM016L display. Click on OK. Wire relay. Click on OK. Require motor. For potentiometer, add GH. The most important component is required ultrasonic sensor. Click on OK. Now all the component we added that we require to make the level control circuit. So first we drag level Arduino board, LCD display. Now we connect the LCD display with our Arduino board. So connect these pins. Now we require grounding. Our RW pin is connected to ground and VSS. Go to schematic, track ultrasonic sensor, place right B here. Now trigger pin is connected. Pin number 12. Echo pin is connected to pin number 10. Pin number 11. Sorry. Grounding. Potentiometer. Connect to the ultrasonic sensor. This pin. Wire grounding. Now connected this pin to the 5-volt supply of ultrasonic sensor. Now we drag the relays and motor. Now connect the relay to the Arduino board, pin number 8, and this pin is connected to here. Now we require a DC power source. It is 5 volt. So double tap on the DC source. Here voltage, make it 5 volt. Click, double click, tap on a relay. Now the component value is 12 volt. Make it 5 volt. Same to motor, DC motor. Nominal value, make it 5 volt. So now we complete the connection between our circuitry. Now comes to the part of programming we require to upload in Arduino board. Now seen we already make the programs in Arduino IDE. This is the program you can see here. You can or clear here is important point is that you require to add already the library of liquid crystal edge which is installed. So you can go to the tools, manage libraries, sorry, okay, here you tap liquid. Now you see our my library already installed. So you click on install the library, install your Arduino IDE software. Click. Now this is the program you need to upload in Arduino board. So double tap and Arduino board in programming file. Now these sections, click and choose my file is a 7D drive for Arduino file, just a minute. Now click on OK. Now the file path is given right here. Click on OK. Here ultrasonic also requires file. So double click on ultrasonic sensor. Here ultrasonic sensor hex file. Click on file, new tab, ultrasonic sensor. This is files ultrasonic TP hex we require to upload in a ultrasonic sensor library. Click on its open. Now this file and library links we provide in descriptions. So from there you can be download it and upload in your project. Click on OK. Now we test all the things is working properly or not. So click on play button. Now the whole thing working properly. The distance measure, distance is 552 centimeter. So we increase the distance with the help of potentiometer. So the motor is still off. So if this is a maximum level 910 centimeter we give in programming. If the level is come below the set point, you see motor will on. Motor is now is motor is on, DC 5 volt motor. Now we increase the level. The maximum level, if maximum level is reached, the motor automatically stop. That is written programming where you first of all configure the pins. Here 2 3 5 6 the liquid crystal pins actually we are already defined. Let's see. Okay. Now our circuit is working properly. We make the level control circuit with the help of ultrasonics and Arduino board. The question is arise here is where these things is actually and practically implemented. This thing you can implement in your home automation, where the tank level can be measure and control automatically. This is helpful in home automations. So it is a little bit difficult or different actually making a circuitry in physical form. It is just simulation format. So I wish you will try something new and make it practically with the help of physical circuitry.